If I no carry my chair come sit down here, come gist with una about wetin dey happen, una no go know. Yes, if I no sit down for this my office, balance this way wey I balance, sit down looking so pretty, to come follow una talk wetin dey shele for this country, una no go know. My advice I will always give to people, before you leave an African country, either na Nigeria you from dey travel go another country, or you from Ghana dey travel go another country, Cameroon, Ivory Coast, any of these African countries that you're traveling from to relocate to, maybe European countries, the United States, Australia, or any of these foreign countries, make sure you pray that your village people do not follow you to board the same flight. Make sure you pray that they don't even locate your seat number, because if they locate your seat, if they find out that you're on this flight and they follow you to board the same flight, my brother, my sister, it go bad. It go bad. So make sure say you pray, you put your chaplet for inside water, and you tell God, say, God, may village people no follow me travel out. That's my shit, that's my wave, do like that. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This is your baby girl Kash Fams, and I'm back again with another interesting, insightful, and a beautiful video as well. Guys, things they happen. You know, the last time I said things are happening, right? This time around, things they happen. And if I not come here, can't tell you now what's in they happen, I no go know. So we go gist today. I'm going to gist with you guys about the recent happenings that is actually trendy right now online. It is going viral on the internet, and maybe you guys have not seen it, but even if you have seen it, this is going to be my own opinion. This is going to be something that I have to contribute regarding what is happening now, and probably you learn one or two things. And like I always say, make sure that you stick around and you watch the end of this video, so you drop your opinions in the comment section, so we get to like have a discussion down in the comment box. But before I proceed, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yes, the target for this one is to get to 1,000 subscribers, and yes, let's do this, guys. I'm going to read out something I saw yesterday on the internet, because guys, I wonder why you will manage to leave your country and you relocate to a new country, these foreign countries, and you're putting yourself in trouble. Things that can be avoided, things that if your eye know they chook outside, you know go fall for this kind of problem, but you're falling in that problem. You're seeing yourself in such situations, things that should have been avoided, and things that if people that knows you, maybe your family members, they get like hear about this particular stuff, they are definitely going to be ashamed of you, and you go supposed to even cover face if people hear this thing about you, because these things can be avoided, but you fall in such temptation. I'm going to bring out my phone right now and I'll read out something on the internet, because this is what is actually trending now. Like I said earlier on, if you've not seen it, I'm bringing you this gist all the way from the United Kingdom. So I'll start up. A 43-year-old Nigerian man, I'm going to put it by the side for you guys to see what I'm reading out. Abimbola David. A 43-year-old Nigerian man, Abimbola David, has been taken into custody by the UK police following allegations of inappropriate online chat with a 14-year-old girl. According to the organization Saving Our Children's Future, okay, that's the name of the organization, Abimbola, who is married, emphasis on that, married, with 2 kids and residing in the United Kingdom on a student visa, allegedly engaged in online interaction with the minor and made inappropriate requests. The girl who reported the interaction to authorities provided evidence that led to Abimbola's arrest. During the questioning, Abimbola claimed he was unaware of the girl's age and expressed shock that she was on the platform. He asserted that he was simply using the app to pass the time and denied any malicious intent. I'm going to quickly rush this. He said in the clip, during an interrogation with authorities, I met her on a dating app and I was surprised I could meet a little girl on the app. I was just there just to calm myself when I'm bored. I asked her for those images for her to stop chatting with me. I wanted to be sure if she was a child or not. That was why I asked her. I don't deal with minors. If she had sent me those pictures, I would delete them. I said all those things for fun. I have a wife and I have 2 kids. I don't do it. When asked if he knew he was abusing the child with the messages he was sending to her, he said in defense, if I want to abuse a child, I will send her my home address. I have never done that in my life. I was just saying all that for nothing's sake. On the issue of age, he said I am 43. I told her I was 24. It's a dating app and they faked their age. She said on the dating app that she was 18 as they won't allow you on the app unless you're 18 and above. All right, so I'm going to stop here because it's okay. We're almost done. Confronted that the girl told her real age regardless of the age on the dating app. He said, I didn't believe her. I thought it was just for fun. Now, I'm going to point out some of the things that he said. The first one, which is 43 years old, which should be someone that is actually matured. A fool at 40 is actually a fool forever, right? So if he is still a fool to this age, that means he will always be a fool. All right. So he's 43, which should actually make him a matured man. But I guess he's not. He is married. He's a married man. So you left your wife at home and you're joining dating apps to look for young girls. He has 2 kids. If you said you're bored, maybe you're not in good terms with your wife, which I doubt, because the other video I saw online, I saw the wife also like pleading and begging on behalf of the husband. That means you and your wife are currently in the same roof, staying under the same roof. So if your wife is not keeping you company and you're always bored, like you said, because you're bored, that's why you decided to download a dating site, a dating app, and you started chatting with different people. So if your wife is actually not making you lively or not keeping you company in your home, what about your kids? Are your kids also not contributing to your happy moments? Are your kids, your 2 children, let's say since you're 43, maybe your kids could be around 5 or something, maybe even if they are not up to that age, which I doubt, they should be in their maybe little stage of actually keeping you company. You can play with them if you want to. You can watch movies or watch teddies with them, watch cartoons with them if you want to. But you ignore that fact. You're not playing with your kids. You're still bored even though they're at home with you. You're bored even though your wife is at home with you. You left your wife, you left your kids. You decide to download a dating app. Now, because you have decided to download a dating app, no one is going to people are even going to fault you because you're married. You shouldn't be there. What are you looking for? If you're not looking for other girls to play malicious acts with, even though the girl is actually up to 18, like you said, that the age limit or the age that is showing there is showing that she's 18, or because if you're not up to 18, you cannot download the app, which most times some people might actually forge or lie about their age. But someone came in there, you saw that the person is 18 years old, and you still decided to chat the person up, a married man. Number one, you have gone against your marriage or marital vow, which is to stick with your wife, to start chatting with other people, or to stick with your partner. Even if you're a man or a woman, you're supposed to stick with your partner, but you choose to start chatting and getting interest or showing interest in someone else. Number two, you went on the app and you lied about your age. You're 43, but you're lying to people that you're 28. What are you trying to achieve? That means you want them to also see you as someone that is young, and probably when you get to meet them, they should not reject you. I don't even know what his plan was. I don't know what he was trying to engage. I don't even know what he was even trying to achieve or arrive at. Are you trying to leave your wife for this woman, or you're just trying to have fun, like you said? But why would you be having fun when you have family members, right? Now that is also a part. The girl, see, this man, a lot of things that they can actually use to hold him, I don't know, but a lot of things that they can actually use in crucifying him is just obvious. It's just so glary and it's just so obvious. The next one, the girl told you she's 14. A sensible man, as soon as the girl told you or confessed that she's 14 years old, you would have just said bye. Yes, you for just say bye-bye, because you've already seen this. This is not the first time that this thing is happening. It is not the second time. It is not the third time that they keep arresting after Africans, Nigerians, regarding this minor stuff. They call you people pedophile, right? Someone told you that she is 14. You did not cease the communication there. You did not stop talking to this person. You continued engaging. Now, when asked, why did you keep on engaging the girl? He said that he did not believe. I open my mouth, tell you, say, I did 15 years old. You no one believe me. Wait till you define. Waiting you define. If no be village people, waiting still make you they follow me talk if I tell you say I did 15. He said he did not believe that he was trying to advise the girl. Now you be the girl parent. Are you the parent of the girl? He also mentioned that he was trying to give the girl the best advice or the course that she should study. Now you bonam, you dey tell girls make the girl study nursing. Are you the girl's parent? How dare you open your mouth to tell my child what she needs to study? Even if she wants to seek advice from people and she seek advice from you, why can't you tell my daughter or my child to come to me or come to my parents and seek advice from them, or probably go to relatives and seek advice from them? And you're giving my child advice to like study nursing. What if I don't like nursing? What if I don't know? But you leave your children where you're supposed to give advice. They give advice to other people. He said he did not believe that the girl was 14 years old, and because he also lied about his age, that he did not believe, because he also lied about his age, so he thought that the girl is also lying that she's 14 just because she's having fun. If village people no put people for trouble for this country, their eye no go open. Because tell me, a student, you're not even done with your studies. A 43-year-old man, maybe you're currently on your master's program because you're on your student visa, or maybe you might be on your PhD, which maybe, I'm not doubting, you might be on your PhD or probably your master's. You're not done with your studies. Even if you're done with your studies, waiting carry you, they chat with people online. Waiting carry you go dating sites. You never get time study finish. You never get time do your 20-hour shift finish. You never get time take care of the kids. Maybe your wife is working, she's the one on dependent visa. You never get time to take care of the children. You still get extra time to the chat. If I get extra time, I go enter Netflix, they watch film. I'm going to quickly share something that actually happened during the NSPPD program, the UK conference in London. I was there with a friend, and then this friend discovered that a young girl, not up to like 10 years old, was chatting on the phone with someone, probably a dating app. So she was just like, I know it's kind of, you guys will say privacy, but you know that Nigerians, and the girl is also a Nigerian girl because the mom was just sitting close to the girl. She was just glued to her phone, looking at her phone. So maybe my friend's eye just caught what the girl was doing, and she was chatting with the guy and telling the person that she was 22 years old, and she was telling the person that she loves him too. So my friend just touched me and said, look at what this girl was doing. So when she did that, I also peeped and saw what the girl was doing. She was chatting with someone, a minor that is not even up to 10 years old, like I was saying. So I felt bad in my spirit, and I decided to like touch the mom, because na church we dey now, so she no go fit beat me. I told the mom that I spoke to them as like to the mom's ear, and I told the woman that your child is telling someone that she's 22 years old, and she's telling someone that she loves him too, that she should check the phone. As soon as the woman collected the phone from the child, she was so shocked, like, now my pikin they do this thing. She collected the phone. She wanted to like hit the girl, but a friend that was seated close to her said she should not. Maybe because of waiting they happen for country now. If you beat pikin, they can arrest you. But that thing at that moment really touched the mom. I know the mom was so ashamed of herself, because a Christian, she was so happy being in the midst of everyone, Christians, right? For her to discover that her child was doing that stuff under her nose, I know that she would be so disappointed. Like, she would be so disappointed on her baby, and also to herself as well, that am I training a child that's actually engaging and saying I love you? I can't be one that children of nowadays, like Gen Z, is it because I wouldn't say Gen Z, but kids of nowadays, is it because they are actually exposed easily to the internet? That's why they keep like, they want to do things that are shocking, things that are actually alarming. And one thing where I go talk before I leave this place, we say some of these things where they happen. Now then they send all these girls. Maybe that girl self not be even 14. Maybe that girl don't pass. But these people feel be people where they work for this official people department. They go just send them, make them go tell people online, say them be 14. Or maybe then they below 16 years old, below 18 years old, just because they want make them see what that person go do. And if the person say yes, make we continue to the talk, they go use and like that can arrest you. You don't know everything. Everything. I no wan talk am the way wey in my mind, but I tell you say sometimes this thing na set up. So if you no dey careful, you enter this country, you no dey careful, na that they go still carry you. Mr. Bimbola now, you no know wetin they go do for am. And people are saying that it's possible that they are going to deport him. I don't know. So we are hoping and praying for him. May God no allow his stupidness or his little mistake. May God no allow him put him into wahala and also put all his family into wahala. Person don't manage come up for country. Now he won't go back to where he come from just because of waiting, just because he no rest. All right, I'm going to be stopping here because this video is kind of already too long, and I would love us to have a discussion regarding this particular stuff. What do you guys think? If you've been in the UK for quite some time, or if you know more about this UK policy, what do you guys think is going to happen to him? Do you guys think he's going to be deported? And do you guys think that this should have been avoided? Like I said earlier on, this should have been avoided. And do you guys also think that most times this thing can be set up? Let me know down in the comment section. And please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also like and subscribe. Yeah, like is fat thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share out this video. And I'm going to see you guys next on my other videos. Until then, bye.
That's my shit, that's my wave.